very right. Calcinosis cutis was there, it is very resistant to treatment because we have tried various medications like calcium channel blockers, topical steroids, intravenous steroids, harnica, even minocycline. Ultimately, they need surgical extraction in most of the cases. And number two is this, that is penicillitis because of deeper involvement in subcutaneous tissues. So yield is much better in various studies. It could be elliptical biopsy, deep elliptical biopsies. That is why in simple vasculitis there is no depth, no nodule. Simple punch biopsy is good. But in penicillitis, in nodular lesions, it's better to do, but it must be done deep elliptical biopsy. So a deep subcutaneous fat should be there, enough tissue.
But not the punch within punch biopsy.
Punch is not good for penicillitis.
Two punches, one punch within punch biopsy is a method that is being practiced.
Yes, that is a practice because other than incisional one, you cannot do that. The reason behind is that when you do a simple punch one, the friable part of subcutaneous tissue is left behind. And this is the one which you need for the penicillitis, right? So in order to take that part as well, that is the concept of double punch or electrical punch. Electrical punch for that, the machine which was used to take punches for the hair transplant, that is also used for this purpose, so that in a single go with the pressure, you can take it in a quick swipe. But the drawback of this kind of a punch is that you can only take up to 4 millimeter of punch. But for penicillitis, at least 6 or more than 6 millimeter punch is required.
I just want to quickly share about cutis calcinosis. I just want to share the experience. I was working in the UK in Southern University Hospital. One of my consultant colleagues was involved in a study. She has special interest in scleroderma. So she was running a study along with University College London. So what they were doing, in addition to what Professor Tariq said that you can do that, they were giving a small dose of what they call the low dose minocycline for 3 months. And they found that in about 50% of the patient, the lesions do regress. The thing is that basically because scleroderma and all these things is one of the most challenging diseases to treat in rheumatology. So these are the bits and pieces. You try these off license, what they were using, and still not approved by the NICE, But these things in research, they will take you further. But I hope that if the study goes on, it might materialize someday.
I just wanted to ask that Buddhist sarcoidosis is quite similar to Buddhist psoriasis, and even sometimes it contains scales as well. How will you differentiate it when looking with the biopsy?
Now, guttate psoriasis, mostly the scenarios, guttate is mostly seen in children, rarely in adults. Number two, guttate psoriasis, mostly the history is very short. Just in few days or few 6 to 8 weeks ago, the child develops the sore throat and the fever. Suddenly develops very minute, sharp, raised small lesions over the trunk, over the arms. Although in guttate psoriasis, you may not get the adequate scaling where you get a typically large type of psoriasis, and you are very right, and it mimics very much the sarcoidosis. But I think the typical age group, the short history, the initial onset of sore throat and this, and then these lesions, and then histopathology.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Tuba Fatma, fellow rheumatologist from Hospital Lahore. I have to present a case in front of you. My patient, who is 32-year-old male, is shifted to the rheumatology department from the dermatology unit of New Hospital with a presenting complaint of joint pain of 2 months duration. Patient on the biopsy proven psoriasis presented with the complaints of joint